Good morning, all the boys, girls, and especially the lover of the learner, irrespective of the class and the grade, boys and the girls, especially for the class 8, 9, and the 10. Here we are with the wonderful topic that is letter. Yesterday we discussed about the comprehension. Today we will discuss about the letter. So first, we should start the what the letter is. Actually, without knowing the real requirement of the letter, it won't be fit for us to go into and take a dive. So, in a very crude sense, the letter is nothing, it is simply a requirement. If you want to abuse anyone, you need the letter. If you want to appreciate anyone, again the letter is. If you want to give an order to anyone, again the letter is. If you want to have this take some information, again the letter is. So letter is nothing, it is simply a requirement of your desire, of your want. It is generally of the two types, the letter. One is the formal letter. The formal letter is also called the official. It is also called the company letter. It is also called the departmental letter. You can also call it the complaint letter, even the notice, order letter and the application. It is also a part of a formal letter. Application notice is not as something different things. It is nothing, it is simply basically a part of a formal letter, whereas again the second hand of the letter is that is the informal letter. Informal letter also is the term as the social letter, relative letter and the personal letter. In the today's world where the social letter is also termed as the Facebook, WhatsApps, Telegram, Instagram, there are so many things over there. So, in the today's world, the letter writing has become a very mandatory. If you are in a office, again, your all the external communication is only based on the letter. If you want to give a letter to your subordinates, you are sitting in the Lucknow and your subordinate is in the Gorakhpur, again the letter matters there. Here we will discuss about the so many things of the letter. In the today's world, the mail marketing has become a very important part. If you want to purchase anything, again the letter is there. So please understand, the thing is this, that it is more a art. Letter writing has become a more a art, and this art you must adopt it. Here, before writing anything, we must draw out some important thing. Whenever we write letter, we will write the letter in a very portrait manner. Portrait is like this, in this manner. Here, any letter start with the sender address. Sender address means, suppose I am interested to write a letter to any department, there my address will be there. Address will be like so, it will be a start from the minimum to maximum, means my house number is 402 Scott Motihari. Means the minimum unit is the house number. House number comes in area Miscot, where the Miscot is in the Motihari. Then after comes date. Date means the date of writing of a letter, the 31st July 2020. Then after comes the receiver address to whom you are writing to letter. Like suppose you are writing to letter to the manager of the state bank, to the manager state bank of India, Malwa Lal Here, please understand. Then after come subject and opening of new account. We have to learn only 4 things here right now. First, this is called sender address. SENDER, sender's address. This is called date. This is called receiver address. And this is called subject. Means today especially with the full of the microscopic observation, I defined only 4 things to you. One is, before starting writing, you have to write the each and every word in a portrait manner, like this, in this manner. Then after, in any letter, the sender address comes first, left side top. Then after, the date comes, then after, the receiver address comes, and then after the subject comes. Tomorrow we will discuss more further. Here we only discuss about today about the important body of the letter writing. Tomorrow we will discuss more. In the meantime, please stay in your home, be healthy, and pay quality